Alright crew, so welcome back guys to the channel. Hey, and welcome back to another video. So today I got a banger. I got a great video today, man. It's gonna be a really good one. I promised you guys a few weeks ago when we was at the car show that we have a 55 DeSoto that we're gonna be doing a video on, and I actually been waiting till today. So we're gonna head over to my buddy Counsel's place. You guys have been over there many times. He's currently building a 55 Chevy pickup truck. I think you guys seen it in the background. But I tell you what, man, it's only been like a month and Counts already got that baby in primer. He's actually working on a frame, but that's not what we're gonna have the video on today. So it's gonna be the 55 DeSoto. We're gonna do a quick walkthrough. And we may even drive it as well, guys. Just you know, see, I actually sat in it and we drove around, and it's so smooth. It's a beautiful vehicle, guys. So we're gonna talk more about it once we get over to Counsel's place. So do not hang up, do not turn the channel. Stay with us for about 5 more minutes, and we're gonna get right into this video, guys. And I know I've got a few people asking me, well, what type of cigars do I smoke? I smoke all different kinds, guys. I am a connoisseur of cigars. This particular one here is an Espinosa Habano. So I like to, you know, smoke a good cigar whenever I'm looking at these nice antique vehicles, guys. Some new, some old, but I do enjoy my cigars, guys. So people have been asking me what type of cigars I smoke, and unfortunately, I smoke just not only one brand. I dabble in a little bit of everything. So anyway, like I said, guys, hang tight and we'll be right back with a great video. All right, crew, so we finally made over here at Counsel's compound, man. Like I said, we got a nice video getting ready for you guys, and today is going to be the 55 DeSoto. So the first thing first, we're going to do a quick walk around. I'm going to talk to you a little bit about the vehicle, because whenever he built this, I was actually helping him a little bit building it, and I was here for some parts of it, of this build, so I pretty much know everything about the 55 DeSoto, guys. So I'm looking forward to it. I'm so excited. And actually Counts, here it is in the background, and he actually just went to his first, his first car show was about 2.5 weeks ago, and then he went to another one and he actually won best in show. So he's excited about it and stuff. And like I said, we really don't go for the trophies and anything, but he basically just went and took it there, and he did enter it, and you know, who knew, man, he won first in show. So let's go ahead and do the 55 DeSoto justice. You guys do not see too many of these vehicles and stuff. That's what makes this car so unique here, guys. And like I said, he does everything himself. He does the paint job. His wife actually helps him with the interior. She does all the interiors. So give a big shout out to Tracy Counts. She does awesome work, and she's getting better and better at the interior, guys. You would never know that she does it here in her home office, guys, and she does an excellent job with the interior. So we'll definitely be looking at the interior as well. So without further ado, I'm gonna turn you guys around, and we're gonna look at this beautiful vehicle here, guys. right, guys, so right now we're looking at these 14-inch barrel brakes. He got these barrel brakes, man, big brakes, baby. He got these mobs on the 22s, 20s on the front. And I tell you what, they're US mag wheels. All the chrome is all original, guys. Got the big V8 in the back, and he also does all his modifications. Some of the badges you guys may see, and some of the badges he actually took off. Got the 22s here on the back with the US mags. Isn't it some beautiful wheels, man? Put those new halogen headlights in there. Brand new chrome. He got this original chrome factory grille. Beautiful. Look at it smiling. Now, one thing that I love about this 55 DeSoto, guys, is that if you see it got like a little sun visor. See that sun visor, the original sun visor is all chrome in there, and he did the two-tone color. Got the burgundy top. With the white body. All right, we're about to go check out this girl rear end here, man. Got the V8 badge there. You know, one thing about this DeSoto is that it doesn't have a lot of chrome, and that's what makes it so classy. And we're gonna go ahead and open up this trunk. Let's see what the trunk is looking like here. Oh man. All right. He even got the Custom Desoto badge on there. Is that not slick? So he actually put the burgundy stripe along the sides there of the trunk. He got the leather here. And underneath this here is his tank. And he also got his spare tire back there as well. On both sides. He even wrapped the leather for the gas neck here. Council does excellent work, man. He doesn't skimp on anything. All right, let's go ahead and pop this hood. All right. So all of you guys that know how the DeSoto look and stuff, you guys know that that's a modified there that you won't normally see. Now, the engine that he had in here was a big old Hemi, and the Hemi ran and everything. He actually took out that Hemi. He put a 6.0 in there. And what's behind the 6.0 is a 480 transmission. And he actually painted all of the intakes and painted the heads. He actually put a new breather on it. Look how nice and shiny it is down in there. I mean, it is beautiful. He actually made this piece here just to strengthen it, and it just gives it decoration, man. Oh wow, look at that. Got two breathers on there. And so one thing that he also used in here, and we use a PSI harness. I'm pretty sure this is what the harness he has on this one as well. It's just a plug and play. He also got a hydro boost. With those big 14-inch bare brakes, he want to make sure it stops on a dime. So he got a nice hydro boost in there. I don't know too much about the hydro boost, but he put them on a lot of his vehicles. Is that not beautiful? Tell me that's not nice, man. Look at this here. Everything is custom inside. This is a beautiful, beautiful 55 DeSoto, guys. Write down in the comments. I want a lot of comments down below. If you guys would do anything different, tell me what you like and tell me what you don't like, guys. Because I tell you right now, there's not too much I don't like about this 55. So now, let's go ahead and check out the interior of this 55 DeSoto. One thing I like about these, when you open up the doors, look at this here. This is original. Original. See if I can keep this door open. Let's give a big shout out to Tracy Counts. She did his interior. He also built a custom center console. Nice leather bucket seats. And I like how Tracy did the stitching in these seats. As you can see here, she put these like the buttons in there, the hollow buttons, and like behind it there's white leather behind it. So when you see it, it just matches the outside of the car. Also, a lot of you guys probably don't even know what that's called back there. That's a package tray. He actually built a custom package tray back there and he painted it. Now that emblem there, I think that's really neat. That emblem would normally go in the front of the vehicle on top of the hood, but he wanted to do something different. So he actually incorporated that emblem in the, still wanted to incorporate it in the vehicle, so he put it in the back of the package tray. Tell me that's not sweet, guys. We got a little bug in here flying around right now, but check that emblem out. All right, look at the sides down here, leather. Everything works. You got electric windows. Electric windows there. Rolls up and down. And then let's check out the dash. All that dash there, he has remodified a little bit of the dash. Normally a little AM FM radio go there, but he actually changed because he also got he got heat in here, so he took the radio out and he put his knobs up there for his AC and heat. All right, so with the dash, he got Dakota digital dash gauges. Got a 15.5-inch billet specialty steering wheel. I think the 15-inch wheel steering wheel looks so much better, man. And the front seats the same, incorporated just like the back. All right. All right, so now we're gonna check out this custom center console that he makes. Now, he makes all his center consoles, man. And this one here is made out of, I think, 18 gauge metal. And they can make it from forward to back. It goes all the way back here, and let me go around here, show you guys the back of it. Down, and it goes all the way up here. Tell me that's not nice. He got leather, that red leather, burgundy leather, down the center of the console. Also, his AC and heat comes off the side there. I tell you what, man, this is just so customly put together. And he also makes it underneath his dash to hide all of his wires and everything. I hope you guys can see this because it's really sunny outside. I love how you did the doors. Everything from outside comes inside. Very, very clean. And so you've got the locks that he can lock the doors. And in the center here, you got his windows. Electric windows roll up. Tell you, everything works in this vehicle. And let's go ahead and start up. Man, does that not sound good? All right. We're gonna do a walk around with the doors open, the trunk open. I'm gonna go ahead and cut it off. Let's go inside and cut it off. That way I won't be talking over the motor. And he also put door poppers on here as well. I didn't show you guys that, the door poppers. Is there anything he did not think of with this DeSoto? I mean, I tell you, she is one clean vehicle, guys. One clean vehicle. We're gonna try to get an aerial shot as well. I did bring the drone, and this is gonna have fun with this one here, man. Let's go ahead and take the drone up and let's get an aerial shot. around this DeSoto, guys. All right, crew, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys love the aerial shot from above with the 55 DeSoto. I tell you what, Counts did an awesome job with this 55. Like you said, let me know what else you guys want to see. You know he got all kinds of vehicles, trucks, cars. We're going to try to do another video. I'm not sure which one we're going to do first, but this one here has been a gem. It's a beauty, and I want to thank Counts for letting me come to his compound to let us do a video of this 55 DeSoto, guys. It's been a pleasure, and I know you guys appreciate all of his vehicles, man. So until the next video, guys, like I always tell you, if you got a fast car, truck, a good cigar, smoke them if you got them, baby. CJ is out, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.